welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen on this glorious summer evening. What do we think of on a beautiful summer evening after dinner? A delicious, refreshing fruit salad, or as we say in Italian, Macedonia. This evening, I'm going to show you how to make a typically Italian Macedonia with all these glorious fruits from the Midwest and a perfect ending to a summer dinner al fresco. Glorious combination of fruits. We have albicocca or apricots, pesche, peaches, grapes, mele, the apples, blueberries, strawberries, fragole. So now what we do in Italy for our beautiful Macedonia is we just take, since that's a lot of fruit, I'm going to use 2 lemons. So rub your lemon to bring all the juice to the surface. And then we're going to cut the lemon and just squeeze the fresh lemon juice. This does a couple of things. It brings the sugar and the brightness out of the fresh fruit, and it also prevents the fruit from discoloring. So it stays pretty longer with their beautiful colors. I'm going to do 2 lemons. If you had half this amount, if you had a smaller amount of fruit, you could just do 1 lemon. That would be enough. Nice, fresh, delicious lemons, this bright lemon juice. Let's just stir this up and make sure that the lemon juice covers all the fruit. A little bit more, the other half. And then what we do is we're just going to take between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of sugar. Now, why do we do that when you have so much natural sugar in the fruit? Well, because it just makes the sugars blend beautifully when you add just a little bit of sugar. Those of you who are saying, well, I eat fruit salad so as not to add cane sugar, fine, if you prefer not to. But in Italy, we add just a little bit. Here I have about 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm not going to add all of it. I added about 1/8 cup and just coat the fruit very well. Incorporate with the lemon juice. You've never had fruit salad like this. It's absolutely delicious. There's nothing like Macedonia in Italy. The fruit is so fresh, being tossed with the lemon juice and the fresh sugar. Perfect. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. Now, if that doesn't say benvenuti all'estate or welcome to summer, I don't know what does. Buon appetito. Tutti a tavola. Ciao, ciao.